Hi children, this class is for standard 5 and the subject is science. Today I am going to teach you lesson 3 safety and first aid. In this lesson we are going to discuss about safety on roads, first aid and fire safety. In this class we are going to discuss about safety on roads. So let's start. Do you know what is meant by road safety? Road safety refers to moving along the road in a safe and sound manner. Nowadays, the roads are filled with a lot of moving vehicles. So, it is very important for us to be alert at all times to prevent any injuries or damage due to accidents. Do you know what is meant by an accident? It is an unfortunate incident that can cause damage or injuries. In most cases, accidents happen due to negligence. In our country, thousands of people become victims of road accidents. For safe travel on roads, we should be aware of the causes of road accidents first. These causes include animal crossing, long drive at night, rain, drunken drive, careless pedestrians, and potholes. In order to stay safe on roads, we need to follow certain road safety rules. These rules apply to every person who is on the road, no matter what they are. Even if you are walking or riding a bicycle, you must follow the safety rules for a safe journey. Let us learn about road safety for pedestrians. In order to keep ourselves safe, we must always walk on the pavements meant for pedestrians. Do you know what are pavements? These are structures that are built at the side of the roads for people who are walking. And we should not jump on the roads as we never know when a vehicle might arrive. We should always cross the road at the zebra crossing. While crossing the road, you should make sure to look both the sides. Remember, first you should look on the right side of the road, then left and again right to cross the road. Cross the road only if the road is clear and safe. Keep looking when crossing and never be in a rush to cross the road. In case of a busy road, you should use the subway or overbridge to reach the other side of the road. Now let us learn about road safety for drivers. People driving scooters and bicycles should wear helmets. Do you know why? Helmets protect their head. Have you ever seen a traffic signal before? Very good. What did you see in a traffic signal? Exactly. The three colored lights. Very good. A traffic light, which is also called as a traffic signal, is a signaling device that is put on crossings or intersections of roads so that traffic can move safely. A traffic signal contains three colored lights. They are red, yellow, and green. If the red colored light blinks, we need to stop our vehicle. If the yellow colored light blinks, we need to slow down our vehicle and wait. If the green colored light blinks, we need to proceed our vehicle. Have you ever seen these kind of boards at the side of the roads when you had traveled in a car or bus before? Do you know what are they? Very good. These are known as traffic signs. A traffic sign is a sign put at the side of roads to give information to drivers. Usually, these signs give information by means of symbols or signs in one or two words. Let us learn about the meaning of some important traffic signs. If you see a no right turn, we should not turn our vehicle right. We should not blow the horn where there is a no honking sign. Hospital ahead sign wants the drivers to drive their vehicles slowly and carefully. This sign also warns the drivers to not to blow a horn unnecessarily. If you see a no left turn sign, we should not turn our vehicle left. We should not park our vehicles when there is a no parking sign is shown. If you see a bent arrow that is inverted with a strike on it, that means you should not take U-turn. We should stop our vehicles when we see a stop sign. School ahead sign indicates that the drivers should watch carefully and drive slowly as there is a school nearby. Work in progress sign warns the drivers and pedestrians about the hazards of road work sites. These signs also advise the drivers to direct the traffic to an alternate route. The pedestrian crossing symbol warns the drivers to slow down the speed of the vehicle. Do you know what is the use of learning about traffic signs and follow them? Because they reduce the risk of accidents and help the traffic to move in a disciplined order. We should always remember the three emergency numbers. We should call 102 or 108 for ambulance service. We should call 100 for police. We should call 101 for fire station in case of any fire accident. That's all for today. We will discuss about first aid in the next class. Thank you, children.